nearly a full here. Only the top rafter is not filled up and nothing working for Talking Tex. And even Sean Daniels has been brought out of the roster.
Set that play up for that alley-oop for Kelly Williams, but just a little bit too much mustard on that pass.
Sobra.
Oh, yeah.
Minute and 11.
I think it's safe to say right now.
Yeah, I think that big threat, the final attempt by Talking Tex to come back, which has been checked. LA with that layup, now might as well use the clock, and that's about it.
So it seems that we're headed to at least one Game 7, pero meron pa tayong isang laban mamaya, and BMEC hoping that they can make it a Game 7, a full series as well.
We've got Vito Lastin, we've got Alex Compton, Dominic Uy, and Magu Marjon all set to do that game for you. ABA, or rather, Randy Del de Ocampo, LA. Yep, but no.
And they're saying that he didn't
establish position. Or kung saan lang ng tatluan, galing sa labas eh. Ito. Subukan yung gawin to, sabi ni LA. And look at this. Alaska will live to fight another day and stretch this already emotional series to its maximum. And it will be a Game 7, which will be probably for the ages with what is at stake here. Big comeback by Alaska.
In terms of games, of course, Alaska coming back to make it a 6-game set, or at least a 7-game set. But Alaska in this game, it seemed that they were just a step quicker than Talking Tex. Talking Tex never was able to put it in gear just from the very first minute. They had a 3-point lead at 8-5, but since then, yung Talking Tex, hindi na sila naka-match up sa energy ng Alaska.
And Patricia will speak to Mark Borboran, our best player.
Seb, Alaska did a lot of great things in this game, including getting the best out of their role players like Mark Borboran. Mark, binigyan ka ng trust ni Coach Tim Cohn, binigyan ka ng minuto dahil wala si Sonny Tos, at sinuklian mo naman ang napakagandang laro with 8 points, going 4 of 4 from the field in 18 minutes.
Ayun nga, sabi ni Coach Tim sa amin nung bago mag-game, ready lang kami kasi yung nga kulang kami, wala si Sonny, so kailangan namin mag-step up lahat.
Maganda na meron kayong 2-day break going into Game 7 or before Game 7. Ano sa tingin mo yung kailangan maging adjustments nyo para manalo kayo sa serye?
Siguro wag lang kami magre-relax sa depensa namin kasi yun yung magpapanalo sa amin sa Game 7 eh.
May mga babatiin ka ba? Ay, thanks a lot, Mark. Hindi pa nga siya makapaniwala na siya yung best player. But he is. We'll be back to wrap up this game.
Well, this series is not Jason, and rightfully so. Both teams really clawing and scratching at each other, both figuratively and literally in today's Game 6. That's our final count. And your final thoughts before we prepare the stage for the next game?
Well, it was an intense game. That's game number 6. We've got Game 7 scheduled on Wednesday. You're supposed to get a much more exciting, crazier game in game number 7, so you got to tune in.
Well done, and we thank Jason for joining us, DF Boost, as well as Patricia Bermudez Quezon. This series is tied, and in just a short while, BMEC Derby, as Jason pointed out, hoping that that same fate will be theirs. But this is the PBA, where there are more questions sometimes than answers, and that is why we watch. This is the PBA on Solar TV.